Are you or your guest struggling to find an outlet to plug your charger into? Come on now, be a better host. And for just 12 bucks, you could throw one in and change that. Step 1, figure out where you want the plug. Step 2 is to get your pattern for the hole. You can get this by either measuring, like I did, or trace around the outlet. You'll see they didn't give you much room for error, so make sure to measure twice, cut once. Take some extra time on this step, because if you mess this up, you'll botch it, and you'll be blaming me in the comments. You can always cut more off. Now that you've traced your rectangle, go ahead and drill a couple pilot holes if you're using a saber saw or jigsaw like I am. Other tools you could use is an oscillating tool, sawzall, hammer and chisel, beaver, or anything else you could get your hands on. I prefer the saber-toothed tiger, especially the DeWalt brand. Man, look at that thing eat.
Woo! Look at that square.
You may find, like me, you didn't get quite enough out, so just go ahead and take some off the sides. Go ahead and set it in and give it a few of the included screws. Now doesn't that look nice? The final step is to feed the cord through the back. Now what you're not going to want to do is what I do. I was at my sister's and her roommate's house doing this, and I didn't bring a hole saw along, so I made do with what I had. Plus this side faces the wall and no one will ever see it. If I've added any value to your life, please like and consider subscribing. Catch the tiger by the tail, and that's it. For 12 bucks and 10 minutes, you and your guest can enjoy years of convenience.